This is a cylinder arm sewing machine and can easily sew 1/4 inch leather. It can do a little bit more than 1/4 inch and can go up to 1/3 of an inch thick. In millimeters, that would be 8 millimeters. This is a Chinese shoe patcher machine. It is also a type of cylinder arm machine. Here I have a bed that is attached to it. It's a removable bed. It can sew certain things that no other machine can sew and can get into places no other machine can, because it's got a movable foot. This, however, is not as strong as the other cylinder arm machine for sewing hard leather. The drive mechanism on this machine uses a wheel that has raceway bearings on the back, and it can break the bearings if you try to exert too much pressure on it. I've seen some people try to sew very, very heavy leather on it, sew holsters on it. The machine struggles, but quite honestly, it is not really designed to do that kind of work. Do not buy this machine and expect it to do the work of an industrial cylinder arm sewing machine. First of all, this is not an industrial machine. It does not take industrial needles. It takes regular needles that have a flat side, and you cannot adapt industrial needles to it. This is not a bad machine, but it needs a lot of maintenance, and it needs to be oiled and lubricated on a regular basis to make sure that all the bearings stay intact, because that basically is what drives the machine. These machines initially cost around $59, then they went up to around $100. You can still get one for around $100. This one is steel. I did buy 2 additional machines, and one of them turned out to be aluminum, and I got them for $35 each on Amazon on a refurbished site. These machines function best using a number 69 thread. You can use 90 thread in a top, but in a bobbin you still have to use 69 thread, because the bobbin will jam up if you use a heavier thread. You have to tinker with them quite a bit to get them to work ideally, so make sure you have some mechanical skills. Thanks for watching.